This is our 2023 Nissan ARIYA. This one is a Platinum Plus. Alright, starting things off, we'll take a look at the engine bay. Nice and clean. Next up, we have our charge ports right over here. All right. Moving on to the back. Here's our trunk. Also has a cargo cover for privacy. Under here, you have your charger and your Bose sound system. Awesome. And under this one, nice. It's also going to be a power trunk, power liftgate. Moving on to the rear seats. Look at that, very nice interior. Over here you have your seat heaters. And then your cup holders. Nice. Now moving on to the front. You have all-weather mats. Here's your steering wheel. Very nice. Wireless phone charger. A couple cool things to show you guys over here. We have the whole center console moves, which is pretty cool. You also have a secret compartment you could open up with these right here. So if I click open, and you can click close. Pretty cool stuff. Down here you have some USBs. Here's your mirror. It also doubles as a camera too. Pretty neat. Some more options right here. All right.